Kung complete finish at affordable na single attached at single detached unit din ang hanap mo, pwede sa Pag-ibig at Bank Financing. Very accessible, going to Metro Manila at malapit lang din sa ginagawang Cavite Laguna Expressway or Calac. Then sure ako, ito na ang sign mo para magkaroon na rin ng sarili mong bahay this year 2025. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another tripping day, and for today, I'm gonna show you our options kung naghahanap ka ng murang single attached at single detached here in Cavite. Gaano ba kamura? Price starts at 25,000 pesos only per month. O diba, saan ka pa makakakuha ng ganyang presyo? So, a little backstory nga. Unang ini-inquire talaga ng aming client na working abroad is itong Shera unit na townhouse. Pero ang target niya is preferably corner lot sana. And during the viewing, we're able to show other model units na pwede nilang i-consider din. And of course, hopefully, yung papasok talaga sa budget and preferences nila. So, we visited Luisa single attached, Athena single detached unit, and yung pinakabago naming single attached complete finish na naka-introductory price, which is our Manners Phase 2. Naka-introductory price pa talaga to, kaya napakamura lang talaga. At ang kagandahan nga sa unit na to, na siyang napili nila ma'am, meron ka ng 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, provision for 1 to 2 carport, at isa pa sa nagustuhan nila, marami kang pagpipilian na facade finish katulad na lang nitong fina-flash ko. By the way, ang pinaka napili nila is our KC unit. Itatayo pa lang ang mga model house natin, kaya naman talagang naka-introductory price pa tayo. Uy, ito na rin ba ang future bahay mo? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!